हुजूरे आला जहांपना हिंदुस्तान के बादशाह अकबर पधार रहे हैं।
जहांपना अकबर की जय, जहांपना अकबर की जय, जहांपना अकबर की जय, जहांपना अकबर की जय। हमारा सलाम कबूल कीजिए।
कबूल है। हाँ बोलिए मंत्री जी, हमारे खजाने की क्या स्थिति है?
हुजूर, कुछ किसानों और व्यापारियों का लगान आना बाकी है। They are asking for more time.
Why are they asking for more time? Is there any problem I am unaware of?
The farmers had a bad crop this year because of less rainfall. Huzur, the farmers are requesting for more time to pay off their taxes.
I consider that to be a genuine reason. Mantri ji, let's give them some more time to pay off their taxes.
जो हुक्म हो सरकार, the farmer would surely be thrilled by this decision.
हुजूर, हम व्यापारियों का क्या करें और उन्हें हम क्या जवाब दें?
क्यों, व्यापारियों की क्या दिक्कत है?
They want their taxes to be reduced so that their profits increase.
मंत्री जी, ये बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता. This is just an excuse. Neither can I reduce their taxes, nor can I give them extra time. They must contribute equally for the kingdom's development.
जो हुक्म हो सरकार.
हुजूर, कुछ अर्ज करना चाहता हूँ. दूर से देखा तो पानी बरस रहा था, दूर से देखा तो पानी बरस रहा था. अरे वाह वाह तो कीजिए.
वाह वाह वाह।
दूर से देखा तो पानी बरस रहा था, दूर से देखा तो पानी बरस रहा था. पास गया भीग गया.
मंगीलाल, तुम फिर शुरू हो गए. We are tired of your endless शायरी.
हुजूरे आला, I was just trying to lift your mood.
Ha 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 ha.
Oh, where do you think you're going, mister?
भाई साहब, हम बादशाह अकबर से मिलने आए हैं.
तो जनाब बादशाह से मिलने आए हैं.
Ha ha ha. Mister, the king has better things to do than to meet random guests.
Yes, sir. I am sure that the emperor has many things to do, and I too have some important business with the king.
Oh ho. And why should emperor attend your important business?
Okay, it looks like you won't believe me. Badshah Akbar had given me this ring as a reward. This ring gives me the permission to see him in accordance to my wishes.
It looks like he is someone the king has invited personally. We should let him in.
You can go in, but only on one condition.
And what might that condition be?
Whatever reward you receive from the emperor, you must share half of it with us.
धन धन की सुनो झनकार, ये दुनिया है काला बाजार. ये पैसा बोलता है, ये पैसा बोलता है. मैं गोल हूँ दुनिया गोल, मैं गोल हूँ दुनिया गोल. जो बोलूं खोल दूं सबकी पोल. ये पैसा बोलता है, ये पैसा बोलता है, ये पैसा बोलता है. धन गोरा हो या काला हो, जग उसका जो पैसे वाला हो. घपले से मिले या रिश्वत से, बनता है मुकद्दर दौलत से. सच्चा है यहाँ कंगाल, तो बेईमान है माला माल. ये पैसा बोलता है, ये पैसा बोलता है, ये पैसा बोलता है, ये पैसा बोलता है.
Yes, you must share your fortune with us. If you agree, we shall let you in.
Okay, if that pleases you, I shall share half of my reward with you both. जहाँपना हमारा सलाम कबूल कीजिए.
Who are you and what do you want, O young man?
Sir, I have come here at your command. I am Mahesh Das. Do you remember me? We met in the jungle when you lost your way to Agra. You would certainly remember this ring.
Oh yes, Mahesh Das, हमें याद आ गया. What brings you here, my child? Tell me, I shall fulfill your heart's desire.
Sir, I understand that I had pleased you that evening and you had promised me a reward of my choice. Huzur, if you are really pleased with me, then please order your guards to give me 100 strokes of the whip.
But, oh young man, why would you choose beating as a reward? You have done nothing wrong.
Huzur, it would not suit an emperor of your prestige to go back on your promise. It is my humble request that you order a beating of 100 whips for me.
Ha ha! Perhaps he thinks the whip will improve his mind and make him wiser.
Look at this fool. Out of all the possible things in the world, this man thinks of a beating. Ha ha ha.
You are right, mister. Some people will learn only through a beating.
This is a very strange request, Mahesh Das. But if this is what you desire, then I shall fulfill your request.
Shukriya, Huzur. However, this is only on one condition. I request you that the guards from the Darbar gates are also brought inside.
अरे ये कैसा कंडीशन है?
Why? What happened? Have you changed your mind now? No, my lord, but I have promised to give my friends half of the reward I received from you. Would you please grant permission to have them brought here?
बाहर के सिपाहियों को अंदर बुलाया जाए.
Huzur, before these guards let me through the gate of the palace, they made me promise that I would share with them half of the reward I received from you, for I had no money to give them.
They wanted a bribe from you.
They told me that it was a custom here for strangers to give some payment to the guards. They said, घपले से मिले या रिश्वत से, बनता है मुकद्दर दौलत से, सच्चा है यहाँ कंगाल, तो बेईमान है माला माल, पैसा बोलता है. You asked for half of what the king gave me. I am being given 100 strokes of the whip, and as requested, you both shall get half of the whip rewarded to me. If you do not believe that a man becomes wiser through a beating, take a lesson from this. अब इन्हें समझ में आएगा कि अपने पद का फायदा उठाना गलत बात है.
इन दोनों सिपाहियों को गिरफ्तार कर लिया जाए. Let them be punished for making my court corrupt. My kingdom has to prosper with honesty and not corruption. Mahesh Das, you have displayed your astute intelligence yet again. I was trying to weed out the corruption from my court, but your little trick has done what I couldn't have done even after passing several laws. From now on, I appoint you to stay by my side as a minister in my court, and because of your wisdom, you shall be called Birbal.
वाह वाह बिरबल, वाह वाह बिरबल.
वाह वाह बच्चों, वाह वाह. दूर से देखा तो शागिर्द नजर आए, दूर से देखा तो शागिर्द नजर आए, इनको पास से देखा ये तो उस्ताद निकले. गिव देम अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज.
Wah, wah, wah. So that's how Mahesh Das became the famous Birbal. Yes, Mahesh Das was named Birbal by the emperor himself. in praise of his wit and intelligence. But unfortunately, his popularity soon started to make the other courtiers jealous. Jealous? Why would they be jealous? From the time Birbal was appointed to be a part of King's ministry, his episodes of wit and justice became very famous. The emperor would sing his praises to everyone, which made the other courtiers envious.
Oh, but Birbal deserved all that praise, isn't it, Didi?
He did, but Badshah Akbar wasn't unfair to anybody. After all, बिरबल चुटकी बजाकर हर समस्या का समाधान कर लेता था. Come on now, let's see how Birbal used to solve cases.
Yes, come, let's go.
Bittu, take this basket of mango home and give it to your mother. Tell her to sell this in the bazaar this evening. You will get a great price for them. जी पापा. माफ कीजिए भाई साहब, मगर आप ये क्या कर रहे हैं? Why are you plucking mangoes from my tree?
Your tree? I see no name on this tree.
I have been watering this tree since I was a child. It was planted by my father when he was a young man. Isn't that enough to say that this tree belongs to me and my family?
This tree also falls on my part of the land, so this tree is equally mine.
क्या हुआ जी? कैसा शोर है?
बहन जी, my husband just explained to your husband that our family has been taking care of this tree for many years. Your husband has been plucking mangoes from our tree. This isn't fair. Go, give your speech on fairness elsewhere. I will take as many mangoes as I want from this tree.
आप मसला यही सुलझा लीजिए भाई साहब. Otherwise, we will have to go जहांपना अकबर कोर्ट to ask for justice.
Go wherever you want. I don't fear anyone. अब चलो यहाँ से.
चलो, हम इंसाफ के लिए बादशाह अकबर के पास चलेंगे.
दीदी, अब क्या होगा? वही होगा जो मंजूर अकबर होगा.
Ha ha.
दीदी,
You're starting to sound like them.
ha ha, very dramatic, isn't it? Let's see what happens when Ramu and Shamu go to King Akbar's court to resolve their matter of that mango tree.
I will get justice for my family.
हाँ, let's see who gets his justice.
रुकिए, आप दोनों जहांपना अकबर को अपना परिचय दीजिए और अपना मसला समझाइए.
हुजूर, मेरा नाम शामू है और ये है श्री रामू. रामू हमारे घर के साथ वाली जमीन के मालिक है. We have a large mango tree right in the center of both our lands. For years, I and my family have taken care of the mango